Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I got another trainer sneaker, kicks and crap for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's open the box. As you can see, it's a Nike SP box. Let's see which one we got. You already know which one it is. So as you can see, these are the Nike SB. SB stands for skateboarding blazer mates. So Nike thought it would be a good idea, you know, to make this pack. It's called the Sashiko pack, where they, as you can see, that is a very nice blazer. They thought they'll make this pack which contains a lot of these patterns, which is the Sashiko. They done it for Japan, I believe. It is Sashiko, which is some kind of Japanese sewing technique that they put in these shoes. Let's start off from the sole. It is your usual gum bottom blazer sole. Then you have the blazer outsole. As you can see, it's the generic ones. Here's the front, the side, the back, and the suede they used is some very nice high grade suede paneling. Very nice. They have used, as you can see, it's all embroidery, all stitching, which is very nice. It's got the converse material, bit of jeans, then the back stitching, very nice. Exposed foam tongue. As you can see, inside is the navy insole with the white writing. Very nice. Then you have these laces, no extra laces unfortunately. So that's one, and I have another one from this pack, which is the same shoe. So here you are. It's another blazer. Can I get a good shot like this? Yes. So as you can see, I'm not going to do a separate review on the navy one. It's basically the same as the beige one. As you can see, the quality of the suede, the jeans material, the back. So it's like this one has a green bottom, but the other one had a gum bottom. But yeah, very nice blazers. I believe these are sold out now, so if you want these, you have to pay. Fortunately, you have to pay the resale. The resale is not too bad now. You can pick it up for around, I believe, about £110. They retailed at 75, I believe. I can't remember, but around that price range. So the resale ain't too bad. If you like your blazers, then these I highly recommend two of these blazers. They also came this pack, Sashiko pack, also came with some dunks, some Jordan 4s. I have done the dunk review, so go and check it out. As always guys, if you like what you see, let me give you an on-hand shoot, as I don't have the budget for on-feet. So if you wore these, this is how they look like on feet. Very nice. You can hit the haters with some moonwalking. There we go. Very nice shoe. Yes, so I would highly recommend them. If you can get them, get them. And as always guys, if you like what you see, please like the video, subscribe, all of the good stuff. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. As always, by Lee. Da.